Here's what you need to know about what is an IPS. This is an exam topic in Domain 2, Network Infrastructure. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. An Intrusion Prevention System, IPS, is an active security device that monitors network traffic, detects threats, and automatically blocks or drops malicious packets in real time. Unlike an IDS, which only alerts, an IPS sits in line in the network path and takes immediate action against attacks. Key concept: inline active blocking. An IPS is placed in line. All traffic must pass through it before reaching the destination. When it detects a threat, it immediately drops the malicious packet, resets the connection, or blocks the source IP. No human intervention is required to stop the attack. Key concept: detection methods. Like an IDS, an IPS uses signature-based detection for known attacks and anomaly-based detection for unusual behavior. It can also use policy-based rules, block all telnet traffic, and reputation-based filtering, block known malicious IPs from threat intelligence feeds. Key concept: false positive risk. Because an IPS blocks traffic automatically, a false positive, flagging legitimate traffic as malicious, can disrupt real users and services. IPS tuning is critical. Security teams must regularly review and refine rules to minimize disruption while maintaining protection. Key concept: IPS placement in network. An IPS is typically placed at the network perimeter, between the firewall and the internal network. It inspects traffic that the firewall has already allowed through. Some organizations deploy IPS at multiple points, perimeter, between zones, and on critical server segments. Let's look at the full breakdown. IDS: placement, out-of-band, span port. Action: alert only. Traffic flow: not inline. False positive impact: alert noise only. Response: manual. IPS: placement, inline. Traffic flows through. Action: detect and block. Traffic flow: all traffic passes through. False positive impact can block legit traffic. Response: automatic. Here's a real-world example. A financial company places an IPS between its firewall and web server farm. An attacker attempts a SQL injection attack against the login page. The IPS recognizes the SQL injection pattern from its signature database, drops the malicious HTTP request before it reaches the web server, and logs the event. The web server never sees the attack. The security team receives an alert after the fact. The threat is already stopped. Quick recap before you go. 1. An IPS is inline. All traffic flows through it so it can block threats in real time. 2. IPS automatically drops malicious packets without waiting for human response. 3. Uses signature, anomaly, policy, and reputation-based detection methods. 4. False positives are a key risk. Poor tuning can block legitimate traffic. 5. Typically placed between the firewall and internal network at the perimeter. That's what is an IPS covered. Exam tip: the key difference: IDS is out-of-band and connected via span port. IPS is inline and traffic flows through it. On the exam, if a device can drop or block traffic automatically, it is an IPS. If it can only alert, it is an IDS. Memorize this distinction cold. Next up, what is a UTM device? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.